Fried chicken tenders. In under 2 minutes, learn how eating it affects blood sugar levels.
What would be the blood sugar response after eating 4 pieces of fried chicken tenders? Blood sugar level changes were monitored for 2.5 hours after eating. The peak blood sugar reached 125 milligrams per deciliter, or 6.9 millimoles per liter. This represents an increase of 37 milligrams per deciliter, or 2.1 millimoles per liter from baseline. The moderate glucose response is due to the high protein content, which helps slow carbohydrate absorption, and the low glycemic index of 45. However, the high fat content of 28 grams may slow digestion. Eat freely and often. This food has minimal impact on your blood sugar levels.
Fried chicken tenders nutrition facts. 4 pieces of fried chicken tenders weigh 5.3 ounces or 150 grams, contains 480 calories, 32 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, 28 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and has a glycemic index of 45. Blood sugar files. Subscribe to learn more how food combinations impact blood sugar levels. These educational estimates are based on metabolic and nutritional data. Individual results can vary. Consult your healthcare provider.